Okay, hi guys. So in the last lecture, we have solved this. I think it was this one, right? X square plus 3. Okay. In our last lecture, so this is settled. So for today, we're going to solve A and C. So let's start with A. So A is dy dx plus 3x square y equal to 6x square. So it looks pretty harmless, right? Okay, so now let's try to do this. Okay, first thing first, dy dx plus 3x square y equal to 6x square. Okay, as I as we recall earlier in our lecture, so first thing first, you must determine which one is px and which one is qx. So px is whatever function y, whatever function x that is multiplied with the constant y. So px here is 3x square and qx is 6x square. Okay, and now so now we want to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is px is 3x square. When you integrate 3x square, what you will get? Ex cube over 3. Okay, and then this can be cancelled out, leaving you with ex to the power of 3. Okay, and what is the next step we should do? Okay, next step is the ddx of integrating factor times y equal to the integrating factor times qx. So integrating factor times y. Okay, don't forget the ddx. Okay, so integrating factor times y is and ex to the power of 3 times qx is 6x square. Okay, and then next step is integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Okay, integrate comes across the derivation, it will cancel out. So now you only have to integrate only the left hand side. Okay, how to do this? Okay, looking at this, what do you think you should do? This is quite complicated. I'm going to erase some of the equation here. Okay, so now we want to find the integration for this 6x square times with ex to the power of 3 dx. Okay, so now what we should do is we should use this function. Okay, where u, which one should be u and which one should be okay, we should choose u is x to the power of 3, and where du dx is 3x square. Okay, where dx is du over 3x square, and replace all the u's into this equation here. Okay, so 6x square is 6x square Ex to the power of 3 is e to the power of u, and du, and dx is du over 3x square. So this can be cancelled, leaving this with 2. So what you have here is right. Okay, when you integrate EU, what you will get? You will get the same thing back. So plus C and replace back U. What is U again? U is x to the power of 3 plus C. Okay, don't forget all of this. Remember the let me rewrite this again. The if y equal to if qx. So what are we doing now is and then the ddx, right? Okay, and then integration both sides, so this can be cancelled. So now we have finished integrating this side here, if qx, which we get 2e x to the power of 3 plus c, and this side here I add integrating factor e x to the power of 3 times y. Okay, now our goal here is just to leave y on the right hand side. So moving this one here, okay, this can be cancelled, leaving you with this only, 2 plus c e minus x to the power of 3. So this is your final answer for B. Okay. Okay, now we want to try to solve C. Okay, let me erase everything. So C is a bit complicated. So C is in this form, 3x y prime. Y prime is also equal to dy dx, equal to ln x plus 1. Okay, now we want this must be transformed into its standard form. So standard form only the dy dx stand alone. Okay, so everything divide by 3x, so you will get y prime minus 1 over 3x y equal to ln x 3x plus 1 over 3x. So which one is px and which one is qx? So px is this one. Okay, this one is px, and all of this here is qx. So now, okay, let's proceed to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is e and to the power of integration of px dx. So p is minus 1 minus, don't forget there is a minus sign here, negative 1 over 3 dx. Okay, oh, I forgot the x here. Okay, and then minus 1 over 3 put outside, leaving you with only 1x dx here, 1 over x dx. So when you integrate 1 over x, you will get ln x. Okay, this also can be rewritten like minus 3. Okay, E and ln can be cancelled, leaving you with, or, okay, no, or, but it can also be rewritten like this. Okay. Okay, and the next step is, okay, apply this equation. Okay, integrating factor y, integrating factor times qx. So integrating factor is 1 over x to the power times with y equal with, to with 1 and everything here. So that's quite a lot, right? So I'm going to erase this because we want to focus. Later on we have to integrate both sides, right? So integrate both sides. This one is pretty clear cut. We don't have to do anything more. But this part of integration is quite complicated. So yeah, what we're gonna do next is we will try to solve the integration for this whole function here. Okay, I'm going to erase everything now. Okay, so now x to the power of ln x over 3x plus 1 over 3x. So how to do the integration? Okay, we will try to do it one by one. Okay, so incorporate x to the power of minus 1 over 3 in each of the equation, which you will get here. It will be to the power 4 over 3. Okay, and this one you will get 4 over 3, 1 over 3 x to the power of 4 over 3. Okay, now let's try to solve the whichever is the less complicated, which is this one. So let's solve the integration for this one first. Okay, 1 over 3 can be put outside, leaving you with this x to the power of minus 4 over 3. Okay, remember when integration you have to add 1 kan. So 1 is 3 over 3 and negative 4 plus 3 over 3, you will get minus 1 over 3, right? So minus 1 over 3. Okay, so this can be cancelled out, leaving you with 1 over 3. Okay, got that? Okay, there is also a minus sign here, right? Okay, so now we want to try to solve this. So which one should we choose as uv? Okay, which one should we choose as u? U should be ln x. Okay, remember the list. Okay, solve the whatever with ln first, right? Oh, sorry. Okay, so du dx is 1 over x, where du is dx over x, and dv is, where dv is, I don't think we, okay, doesn't matter. So v is the integration of this one here, which you will get, which is the same, right? The integration of 1 over 3 x to the power of 4 over 3 is negative 1x minus 1 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to erase this again. I don't know whether you get that or not. I really hope. Okay, please, while you were listening to my lecture, please jot down everything, yeah? Okay? Okay, let's see here. Okay, so now we use this equation uv over the integration of v du. So u is ln x over wait, there shouldn't be a negative sign here because it is located at the back, at the bottom, right? So I should, okay, ln x v u v, so ln x minus x 1 over 3 integration of v. What is v again? V is negative and du is, okay, don't forget negative sign. Negative here can be positive, and this one can be add together, which you will get okay. Okay, I'm going to erase everything. And sorry. Okay, so now what you have here is plus c. Okay, so this is also equal to the if times y, right? So this you will get 2 plus c, leaving only y here, and the final answer should be minus 2 plus cx. Okay? Okay, and so what does it mean here by satisfying y 1 over 2? What does it mean here is, okay, satisfying the condition y1 2 is y1 2, right? Okay, when x is 1, y equal to 2. Okay, put these values into this equation here so that you can find the value of c. Okay, so 2 equal to ln negative ln 1 minus 2 plus C 1 to the power of minus 3. Okay, try. Can you try it? Use your calculator. Okay. So now we have concluded chapter 5. So I'm going to continue with chapter 6 real soon. Okay, see you guys. Bye.